Car secrets with WD-40. You don't know about. Did you know a $6 can of WD-40 can prevent repairs worth thousands of dollars? Mechanics don't usually tell you this. But today I'm revealing 20 genius WD-40 car secrets that can save you money, time, and even prevent roadside emergencies. Some of these are so unusual, you'll be surprised they even work. Stick with me until the end, because the last one can literally erase bumper damage in under 5 minutes. And before we dive in, if you love saving money on car care, hit the like button. It helps more drivers discover these tips. 1. Prevent snow and ice on your windshield. Imagine waking up to a frozen windshield in the morning. Instead of scraping for 10 minutes, simply spray WD-40 lightly the night before. The thin film prevents ice from bonding strongly to the glass. By morning, ice slides off with one wipe, a lifesaver in harsh winters. 2. Revive windshield wiper blades. Old wipers leave streaks because the rubber hardens. Rub a cloth with WD-40 along the blades. It softens the rubber and restores flexibility, buying you a few extra months before replacement. That's $20 saved instantly. 3. Loosen a stuck fuel cap. Cold mornings or rusty threads make your fuel cap impossible to twist. A small WD-40 spray on the cap threads lubricates and frees it, preventing costly damage to the filler neck. Over time, rubber seals around doors dry out and crack, letting in leaks and road noise. WD-40 restores the flexibility, creating a watertight seal and prolonging the life of your weather stripping. 5. Remove tree sap from wipers and glass. Sticky tree sap ruins wiper blades and makes them skip. WD-40 dissolves sap instantly, restoring smooth operation. Pair this with a quick glass wipe and your visibility is crystal clear again. Rusty plate bolts strip easily, forcing you to drill them out. Spray WD-40 during installation, and they'll always come out smoothly when you change your plate or inspection sticker. 7. Maintain trailer hitch and bike rack mounts. If you tow or use a bike rack, the hitch pin often rusts solid. A coat of WD-40 keeps it rust-free, saving you from hammering or cutting it off later. 8. Restore faded black plastic trim. Those dull gray plastic trims and bumpers can ruin your car's look. Spray WD-40 on a microfiber cloth, wipe the trim, and watch it return to a deep glossy black instantly. Perfect for quick resale touch-ups. 9. Fix sticky seatbelt retractors. Ever pull your seatbelt and it won't retract? That's dangerous. Spray WD-40 into the retractor mechanism, not the belt fabric, and it springs back like new. 10. Silence rattling license plates. That annoying metal rattle at stoplights can drive you insane. A quick WD-40 spray on the screws and mounting points cushions. Vibrations and silences the noise instantly. Before we continue, if you're finding these hacks useful, hit subscribe so you never miss out on more hidden car secrets. 11. Free stubborn spark plugs. Forcing spark plugs can strip threads, leading to engine damage. Instead, spray WD-40. Wait 10 minutes and let it penetrate. Suddenly they twist out smoothly without a fight. That piercing squeal under the hood doesn't always mean replacement. WD-40 lightly misted on the underside displaces moisture and quiets the noise temporarily, giving you time to get it inspected without rushing into a $150 repair. 13. Stop battery terminal corrosion. That white powdery buildup drains your battery even when parked. WD-40 forms a protective barrier, keeping terminals clean and your battery fully charged. No more surprise jump starts. Frozen locks are a nightmare in sub-zero weather. WD-40 displaces water, melts the ice and leaves behind a thin film that prevents refreezing. Keep a small can in your glove box during winter. It's cheaper than a locksmith. 15. Instantly brighten cloudy headlights. Hazy headlights reduce nighttime visibility by up to 80%. A WD-40 wipe fills in micro cracks, making them shine clear again for a few days until you get a proper restoration. 16. Silence squeaky hinges and latches. Whether it's your trunk or doors, WD-40 flushes dirt and moisture out of hinges, instantly silencing the creaks. Work the hinge back and forth, and the difference is night and day. 17. Protect undercarriage from rust. Mud and salt act like a sponge against your car's frame. Spraying WD-40 on clean wheel wells and exposed undercarriage creates a barrier that keeps rust from ever starting. WD-40 breaks down the residue chemically, allowing you to wipe it away safely without harming your paint. 19. Remove stickers and old decals, parking permits, bumper stickers, or dealership logos. WD-40 seeps under the adhesive, allowing you to peel them off effortlessly with no sticky mess left behind. 20. Erase bumper paint transfers. Parking lot scrapes often leave another car's paint streaked on your bumper. WD-40 dissolves and wipes it away, making your bumper look new again without a trip to the body shop. Final thought. And there you have it, 20 WD-40 car secrets most drivers don't know. From saving you in winter emergencies to restoring your car's look, this single can does it all. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more car-saving hacks every week. And before you go, check out my other video on hidden car maintenance tricks that mechanics don't want you to know. You'll save even more money. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest tools make the biggest difference.